This video relates to Hyundai Tucson 2020 onwards, in other words the NX4 model. Hey everyone, right, here's one for you. There is front parking sensors on a Hyundai Tucson, so as you drive up towards something you would expect that the front parking sensors will start to make noise, but they don't. Anyway, so what's weird is on these, if you go for reverse, and if I move towards it then, the front parking sensors are now available. So in other words, my front parking sensors only operate when I hit reverse, which is kind of no good when you drive up towards something. So I thought about this, and actually for a while we thought that's just the way it is. It's a bit of a quirk, but what can you do? But I think there's a way around, well, not I think, there is a way around it. First of all, so into settings, over into vehicle, and in vehicle you're in driver assistance, so pull that up as far as parking safety. And what you want is automatic park distance warning activation. So if you see there without it off, it's not going to do anything. If I have the automatic one on, now the front ones are available. It's so weird. It comes from the factory like that, as in it comes from the factory disabled, so that you'll only get front parking sensors when you engage reverse. So it helps you when you're, reversing out of somewhere. It just makes no sense why you wouldn't have the automatic activation. But there's lots of people driving around a bed at the moment and they don't realize this. So I'm just going to show you. So when I drive up towards this wall now, this should activate without me having to engage reverse. Please don't hit the wall. Oh, there we go. So they're automatically engaging without me having to hit reverse. So the point of the video is not to tell you how amazing that feature is. The point of the video is to say you probably or possibly have a car that you haven't actually had that activated on, and I don't think a lot of dealers will realize this. So anyway, hopefully the video is useful. Thanks a million for watching.